In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Wix website by creating a Download PDF button. This process will allow you to share important documents, brochures, menus, or any other information with your site visitors in a simple and efficient way. Let's get started. First, head over to your Wix website editor. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Add Apps. This is your gateway to a variety of features that can enhance your site. Click on Add Apps, and in the search bar, type in PDF Viewer. The search results will provide you a list of available applications. You'll want to choose the first option that appears. It's specifically designed to integrate PDFs onto your site seamlessly. Now, click on it and then select Add to Site. This might take a little while to load, so don't worry if it takes some time. While the app is integrating into your site, let's focus on making your document easily accessible for download. We can do this by adding a downloadable button. Go back to your site editor and click on the option labeled Add. From there, navigate to Button. Once you have a button on your page, it's time to link it to your PDF. To do this, click on your newly added button, then select Add Link. This will prompt a menu from which you need to select the document option. Now it's time to upload your PDF. Browse your files to locate the document you wish to share and select it. As soon as your PDF is uploaded, your button is almost ready. The final step is to ensure it's functioning correctly. Once everything is set up, clicking this button on your live site will initiate a download of the PDF you've uploaded. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a PDF to your Wix website and made it easily accessible for download with just the click of a button. This feature not only makes your Wix site more interactive, but also greatly enhances the user experience by providing them immediate access to key documents. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to check out our other how-to videos for more tips and tricks on enhancing your website. Have a great day and happy editing.